everyone. Welcome back to Tennessee. I'm Phyllis. It's nice to meet you. If you haven't dropped into my channel, it's good to have you today. I want to show you what I'm going to be making today for our dinner tonight. Now, I'm going to throw this in the oven first. But what we're going to be making in just a few minutes is what you might know as kidney bean salad. That's what we call it. Kidney bean salad. We love it. I'm going to have a meat dish, and then I'm going to have the kidney bean salad and probably another vegetable like green beans. But anyway, I've got my 10-inch iron skillet out. I'm going to fill it up in the bottom. You've seen me do this on another video really quickly. I'm going to throw this in the oven, and then we're going to start our kidney bean salad. I'm going to just throw my onion, which is a Vidalia. I love those onions, or any sweet onion will do. Sometimes we run out of the Vidalias in the winter. I just put these on the bottom. I've sprayed my 10-inch skillet with olive oil. I just put my onions all about. I have 3 pork steaks that I'm going to lay down on top of my skillet. I kind of stack them on top. As they cook, I'm going to flip them over, and then they shrink. I'll leave the bones in for flavor. Okay? Let me wash my hands. I'm going to put Montreal seasoning on these 3 pork steaks. I have already greased the pan, and on the bottom of the pan, I put no salt, which is the label, the brand of the salt I use, no salt, and Greek seasoning. On the top of the meat, I'm going to be putting Montreal seasoning on the top. Now, I do like to kind of rinse my meat off, so I do like to kind of pat it dry just a little before I put this on. So I just pat it dry a little bit. I have my oven on 350 degrees. And I just sprinkle this lightly across the top. Not on both sides. I don't know why. I just do one side. Okay. My oven's at 350. So this pot is going in. And we're going to work on making our kidney bean salad. I hope you enjoy this salad. It's been warmer here today. I think our high got up to 69. I just can't believe how nice the weather is today. So we're going to come back and get started on our kidney bean salad. Okay, let's get started with our kidney bean salad. A nice, good, cool salad. Now what I've got 2 15.5 ounces of light red kidney beans. I like the light red. You can get the dark red, any kind of kidney bean for your salad. What I'll do now, I'll drain the water off of the beans. I'm going to put my little colander in my sink, and I'm going to pour my beans in. Then I'm going to let them be draining. You know, they have a lot of juice on them, so I'm going to let them be draining while we mix up everything else. Don't you love these little flip tops? I love those things. All right, drain your kidney beans. Wow. You were away. I chopped up some grape tomatoes, 1 medium-sized green bell pepper, and now I have a little bunch of green onions, and I'm going to chop them and put them in this recipe. If you don't like onions and you don't want them in there, you know you don't have to put them. You can put some onion flakes, onion powder, anything like that is always so good. So let me chop these up. I do have 1 cucumber. And what I like to do to the cucumber is I take the center out because it's all seeds. So I take all those seeds out. You don't have to do that either, but I do like to get rid of the seeds. I like to chop these onions a little bit fine, down to a little bit of the green, but I don't use the bottoms. I don't use these bottoms. All right, let me get my little, I don't even know what this thing is called. I used to know what it's called and I forgot. Let's put everything in our bowl. Our green onions. 1 medium green. I did not get a red pepper, a red bell, you know, that's my favorite, because I've got all these nice red grape tomatoes. This is a wonderful dish to make when you can get all of your stuff, when you can get all of this fresh out of your garden. There's nothing better. Oh, this is going to be good from the grocery, but it's super good when you have it out of your garden, because a lot of you have green tomatoes, cucumbers. You've got these things. Got your bell peppers. Now I'm just going to chop my cucumber. My beans are draining. I put a little salt and pepper. You can use any kind of dressing with this. I use a mayonnaise dressing with mine. Cucumber, 1 medium cucumber. This keeps really nicely in your fridge too. Now one ingredient I need to get is pickle relish. So let me step away from the camera for just a minute and get the pickle relish. You can put pickles in here and chop those up in your blender. I'm just going to add some pickle relish. I'm probably going to put in this size with 2 cans of beans, I'm probably going to add 2 tablespoons of pickle relish. I got Great Value sweet relish because that's what I like to use. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of this in here with a little juice. About 2 tablespoons. If I think I need to add more, I will. Okay. You can put carrots in here. Now, let's see if our beans are drained. They are. 2 cans. We'll mix those in. You see how easy this is? This is a great salad. It's a pretty salad. Now, I'll also add about 1.5 cups of cheese. The cheese I like to add is a 3-blend triple cheddar. It's got Vermont cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar, and mild cheddar cheese. It's a Great Value brand, and it's got a really good flavor. So I'm going to add about, maybe about 1 cup and 1/3 or 1.5 cups. I'll mix it up and I'll kind of see what it looks like. All right. Now the next thing I'll be adding to this will be about 1/2 cup of mayo. Today my mayonnaise is Great Value. No, it's Kroger. It's a Kroger mayonnaise. My favorite mayonnaise is Duke's. All right. No, I don't measure this in a cup. I just work it in and see how it looks. Just work it in. And be careful not to, don't work it in real hard. You don't want to tear up your beans or your tomatoes. You can already see what it's looking like. It's great in the summer. Get it good and cold. I'll get this good and cold before I serve it tonight. I'll add some pepper and salt. Black pepper and salt. And you've got a dish, and you can make as much of this as you like. It's really better the next day when you make it and put it in the fridge. Leave it a little while. It's great, but the next day it's even better. Now I'm telling you, this little salad right here is great to take to, if you needed something to take to a potluck, or you were going over to somebody's house for dinner. You know, they may have never had kidney bean salad. You can add other things in here. Use your imagination and put in this kidney bean salad what you'd like to put in it. But I wanted to show you all this because it is so easy, and it's not any cooking to it. In this hot, when we're getting hot summer or get to the spring, this would be a good Easter side dish too. Get it good and cold and take it to your Easter dinner wherever you go. And like I said, use your imagination and put in there what you like to put in your cold salad. I'm going to put some cling wrap on it and get it in the fridge and get it good and cold for our dinner tonight. Well, guys, now that we've got the salad made and we've got it chilled, let me just take a bite of it. And let me move up here so you can see it. And let's see what it tastes like. I'm going to try to get a bite of everything. It smells delicious. Let me try to get a bite of it. Get a piece of cucumber. It's really good. If you've never had it, you need to start making it, and you need to make it your own. Put in it what you love. Kidney bean salad. I love it. Gotta make it. Guys, thank y'all for subscribing. Y'all been so sweet to tell me who you are and where you're from, and I appreciate that so much. It means the world to me that you're responding to my cooking show, and I just love y'all so much. You mean the world to me. And keep leaving your comments about where you live. I love to hear things about how cold it is where you are, if you've gotten any snow or not this winter, if it's snowing there now. Just leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite cold salad is. There's so many of them out there. Guys, I'll see y'all in the next video, and I love y'all. Bye.